Welcome back guys, and in this video I'm going to tell you if in WhatsApp you are not receiving notifications on your phone, then what you have to do. I'm just covering in this tutorial in this video, so not wasting much of your time. If you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So now starting the video, just go to the setting and then go to the apps, and here search for WhatsApp. Search for WhatsApp, go to the WhatsApp and see notifications are blocked or activated. So just activate it, tap it on, and here you can select anything, allow sound and vibration or deliver quietly. See here in notification categories if all are selected or not. This is the first thing you have to do to activate this, to attack that problem. And then now second thing, go again to the setting and then go to the lock screen, and in lock screen see notifications are on or not. It should be on, and if you want to see the details you can select the details, but I will not suggest details because in the lock screen you do not want to show another person the details of the messages are coming. That can be anything, so icons only. So this is the second thing. And third thing, if you are facing difficulty to see the notifications of WhatsApp, even then after doing both things, then see here, go swipe down and go to the control panel here and see flight mode or power saving mode or do not disturb mode is on or not. In that case you will not see the notification. So these are all the things which I wanted to tell you. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe my channel and share with your family and friends. Thank you very much guys.